Welcome to Instant Cooking Channel. This is my first video. So I will be discussing with you what recycling is and how we can recycle our food. So food recycling is a way of using the food waste and turning it into something useful. So I will be showing you how we can recycle at home through composting or through recycling bins. So please keep watching my channel and you will see some more updates. So this is a recycling food box that I bought from Amazon. This is how it looks like. You can also get one from the council too. So if you give them a call or on their website, you can order one. Biodegradable bags that I use. I usually buy them from any local shop that I have, for example Tesco's or Sainsbury's or even Asda. So wherever you are, you can buy them. These are biodegradable. So you just open one of these up. And then you start putting all of the food waste in here. Once these have been filled, you can take them out and pop them into the box provided by the council outside, and they will come once a week to pick them up. There are a few things that you can actually recycle or pop into the food bin. One of the things you can do is use peelings. Orange peelings, for instance, any fruit peelings that you may have that you can use. You can also use banana peelings as well. So any fruit, for instance, that you have eaten, you can put into the recycling bin. Also, once you have used tea bags as well for your tea, they can go also into the recycling box. What I find with this kitchen caddy is that the smell does not come out of there once it's closed. So the food does not get smelly, which is what I like about it. Also, you can clean this. So every day, whenever I've filled it out, I take it out like this and I wash it, and I also wash this, and then that's how I keep it clean with just soapy water. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel to see some more videos like this, and let me know what you want me to discuss on my future videos. Bye!